Hello everyone, so here is Netflix app on iOS 14. So did you know that you can enable picture-in-picture on iOS 14? So what that means? So basically you can just watch Netflix, just enable any movie you watch, and then to enable picture-in-picture super easy, you just tap on your home button. Just go to the home screen, whatever. And then when you are watching the Netflix movie, it will appear just in the bottom right corner. And then you can continue to do stuff on your iPhone while watching the Netflix movie. And you can just drag the screen around your iPhone. So that's how it works. You don't need to set up additional settings somewhere. It just works like that. When you just start to watch the movie, just tap on the home screen the movie should appear in the bottom right, something like that. It works not only with Netflix but with other video apps on iOS 14, with exception of YouTube. So at the moment YouTube doesn't support picture-in-picture on iOS 14. Hope it was helpful.